Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Gadag location. It is from Karnataka. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for the Area Loss Prevention Officer. It is from Reliance Retail. And if you see the qualifications and experience required for this position, like you must have experience in loss prevention, FMCG or e-commerce, like security, legalizing, aviation, auditing, inventory audit and stock management, and like you must have experience in these fields, and you must have graduation, and you must have 3 to 12 years of experience in this field, and you are going to get a salary from 2 to 6 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail id, that is priyanka.mishra@ral.com. Coming to the next one, there are various job openings are available from the TCS company. Like for these positions, you must have 4 to 10 years of experience, and the job location will be anywhere in India. Interested candidates, if you are fit for any of the job roles mentioned here, you can share your resume to the provided mail id, that is utilities.hiring@tcs.com. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the sales executive or senior sales executive position, like it is from Wheelsay Technology Private Limited. For this position, you must have qualifications like degree, and fresher candidates also can apply. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail id. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available from the domain of Sable product configuration. It is from LSA Recruit Private Limited. For this position, you must have 4 to 14 years of experience in this field, and you must have skills in Sable product configuration, and the notice period will be immediate to 30 days. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail id. Next one, there is a job opening for the ASM position, like Area Sales Manager. It is for the products of DMT, APS, Micro ATM, Recharge, Rail Tickets, CMS, Bus and Air Ticket Bookings and other pay. And it is from the Danhind Utility Private Limited. And for this position, you must have experience like 1 to 3 years in fintech and telecom and products. And for this position, the age limit will be 35 years below, and if you see the salary, it will be 25,000 plus convenience like incentives up to 10,000, and other benefits like PF plus accident policy. Interested candidates, if you are fit for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail id, that is shivakumar@danhind.com. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for the sales executive position in business loan and secured loans, and it is from the Bajaj Finance Limited. For this position, you must have graduation, and the preference will be given for the candidate having relevant experience in the industry of banking or NBFC. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail id. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.